DesignPLUS provides a convenient location to manage all of your course dates. The multi-tools due date and delayed announcement modifiers make adjusting dates in Canvas quick and easy. If you haven't already done so, you will first need to add the multi-tool to your course. Go to your course settings, choose the Navigation tab, enable the multi-tool, and click Save. Launch the multi-tool by clicking the link in your Canvas course navigation. A variety of new tools will appear. Select the Due Date Modifier. This tool provides a convenient location to manage assignment due dates, unlock dates and lock dates, add dates to pages to include them in your students' to-do list, manage quiz show, and hide answer dates. Be aware that the Due Date Modifier takes date and time based on the time zone set on your computer, not the time zone you have set in Canvas. Once in the Due Date Modifier portion of the multi-tool, select your preferred date format. Set Blackout Dates allows you to black out dates that you would like to avoid. These may be holidays, breaks, or other dates that you prefer not to have assignments due. You may choose specific dates from the date picker, or select days of the week that you would like to disable. Setting blackout dates is a user setting. Other admins in the course will not see your blackout dates, but the dates will follow you as you move between courses. Set default times allows you to update preferred times for new course assignments to be due, available, lock, show, or hide answers. Changing your default time is not retroactive and will only impact new assignment dates. Updating existing dates will keep the existing time. The assignment data table is where due dates are set or edited. If you've rolled over due dates from a previous course, those dates will have already been updated. Often there are holidays or other events that make it necessary to edit dates. While there is an Update All button at the bottom of the interface, we recommend updating dates often to reduce the risk of losing work. Filters and the search function under Assignment Data help you find the items you need to update. Bulk updates make it easy to edit multiple dates at once. Select the content that you would like to update, and make any changes in the bulk update portion of the tool. Whether you need to move all of your discussion due dates to a new day of the week, or move an entire module's due dates forward or back due to a holiday, it's quick and easy to do with the Due Date Modifier. Next, click on the icon for the Delayed Announcement Modifier. Here you will find the same options you saw in the Due Date Modifier. If you rolled over post-dated announcements from a previous course, you will find them under the Announcement Data section where you can easily tweak the dates for the current course. Managing the various dates across your Canvas course is easy with the DesignPLUS Multi Tool. For more information, visit our website at support.citylabs.com.